think of it like when you're driving in your car and you hit a grasshopper and it goes splat and it sticks. We're doing that with metal powder. My name's Byron, I'm the CEO of SPEE3D. So SPEE3D is a manufacturer of metal 3D printers. These are quite unique. So the system we have here at Formnext is actually deployable. So it's a system you can take into the field. So the technology builds metal parts fast and at lower cost.
Hello, my name is Julius Pannen. I'm a service and application engineer. I work with SPEE3D since 4 years.
The technology that we use, what we actually do is we accelerate metal powders to supersonic speeds. So think of 1,000 meters a second, and then we fire those metal particles, and when they hit a surface, they then stick. So think of it like when you're driving in your car and you hit a grasshopper and it goes splat and it sticks. We're doing that with metal powder. If you then capture them in the right spots, you can then build parts. So as I said, the process fast, low cost, very robust and very reliable. So really good if you want to take it in the field or if you're in these heavy industries which need good quality metal parts.
Right behind me you see the X-Speed printer. That uses the cold spray technology to build up three-dimensional parts. Cold spray uses compressed air and heat to accelerate powder particles up to 2 times speed of sound. And due to the kinetic energy in the particles hit and bond together. So the container contains everything you need. It's just plug and play. You just need energy, and there's a compressor inside, the dust extraction. Then you only need to put powder inside and you're able to print parts. Next to it, we also provide a solution that's called Speed Cell. This is another container with a milling machine inside and equipment ovens so that you get the full capability of both of the machine for producing parts. The maximum size is 900 millimeter in diameter and 700 millimeter in height.
So as a company, what we do is we target critical industries. So what's a critical industry? It's an industry that a country relies on. So think of applications like defense. So I'll show you a defense part now. So this is a part which, if you're in the field, you're a soldier. You break a part on your truck, your armoured personnel carrier. How do I get this part? Well, with this technology, you can actually take it into the field and you can manufacture these parts in the field. So a part like this would take about 3 hours to print. You do a bit of heat treating, bit of machining. Within half a day to a day, you've got this part. So typically, you'd have to rely on your supply chain. You might get in a week, a month, or 6 months. So it's enabling soldiers to be able to get these parts when they need them, where they need them, on the front line. So we're here at Formnext printing, whole 12, come in the front door. After you get off the train, you'll see us, you'll hear it, you'll see it. It's fantastic to sit there and watch. We invite everyone to come along.